My name is Rachel Catherine and welcome to RC Summer. Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Obviously I'm vlogging today. It is Tuesday the 4th or the 5th. It is the 5th of Feb. I never know how to say February. February. It's the 5th. It is 11:21 a.m. I've spent the entire morning doing YouTube work and I have my actual job at 3:30 and I'm kind of like already exhausted. I was doing a video for a brand this morning and the brand itself was so easy to work with, like so great, 10 out of 10. It was like a haul video and like the postal services and the packages were delayed, which meant like I couldn't film the video and then edit the video in the deadline that the brand had set for me, and they were like super understanding about it. Like they were really chill, but me being a perfectionist doesn't like letting people down and I don't like being late. I hate being late, especially when I can't do anything about it. Like I couldn't make the packages come any quicker. So I'm glad that video is done. It took so long to edit. I think I've been editing for like 4 hours. I also filmed. So now my room is a mess, so I got to clean up that. But I feel like there's cleaning montages in every single vlog lately, which is just an issue. I need to just start learning to clean up as I go. But I'm trying to figure out what I want to spend the next few hours doing before I have to go to work. I still have a few hours, which is just amazing, honestly. I think I want to do some meal prep. I obviously want to clean up this room because all the equipment needs to be put away. I think I might go to the gym after work because that's what I did last week and that was really good. Maybe I'll just read my Bible or read a book or something. I don't really know. The world is my oyster. So I will do a cleaning time lapse because gotta do what I gotta do. I'm gonna get changed as well because I don't like the outfit I'm wearing. I like the items individually, just not as an outfit. Let's get cracking. So as you guys saw, I was just doing some meal prep. Whoa, my bun looks so weird. But I also just cleaned out my pantry and my fridge. I don't know what I'm doing. I just got all that stuff sorted. Did a bunch of dishes. Have all of my food all organized and figured out. I also have my pumpkin cooking in the oven. That's gonna flog up. Have some brown rice cooking in the rice cooker. And I'm just watching Married at First Sight. It's now 1, so I still have 2 hours till I have to go to work. This is so crazy. I'm so not used to having so much time. I'm usually like rushing around like crazy, but I got my things done faster than I thought I was going to. So this is just honestly great. I really need to make myself some lunch, but I'm really not hungry. I was kind of snacking all morning, but like I'm gonna go to work, so I need to have something in my belly because I'm not gonna eat till like, I don't even know if I'll even get a chance to eat dinner, depends, because I don't finish work till like later. So I need to eat something now, otherwise I'm gonna be starving at work. Good morning guys, welcome back to another, actually I think this is part of the same vlog. It is Thursday today. I hardly have spoken today bit loud birds, so my voice sounds a bit weird. But today I have a really exciting day. I'm going to meet up with some YouTube gals that I have not met before, so that's gonna be, I'm like really nervous but like really excited at the same time. So I'm going out to breakfast with Georgia Woodford, who has been my YouTube friend for like 3 years, and then also Millie and Connor, who I haven't met before. So it's going to be super exciting. I don't know if I'm going to vlog or not. I'm always a bit iffy when I meet people for the first time because I never want people to think that I'm like using them for views or like using them to be in my video or anything like that. But I'm going to vlog today nonetheless, so whether I vlog with them or not, you guys will stay updated with how it went and all of that sort of stuff. So I'm all ready to go. We also have a house inspection this morning, so I'm trying to make sure the house, or like at least my parts of the house, are all neat before I leave. And that's basically it. I'll talk to you guys probably, I don't know when. Sometime soon. Hey friends, I have a friend.
Hello.
We just made it to the cafe. Georgia needs to pee.
Really bad, and it's a problem. Oh.
Kind of stressed, but we're all good.
We're all good. We're here for a good time. What's
Here
that
for a
on
good
your
time.
screen? See? It's dirty.
Sorry, BRB.
Sorry.
All good?
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. Maybe see you later, maybe not.
Bye.
Bye.
Many hours later.
Hey guys, I am home now and I had the best time at breakfast. It was literally, I was gonna say so much better than I thought. I wasn't expecting it to be bad. I was just like super nervous. And Millie and Connor are just the sweetest girls ever, and it was so lovely to finally meet them and just catch up with them and just find out more about them. I love meeting YouTubers in real life. It's so interesting because you kind of get that like behind the scenes side of them that you don't really get to see online, I guess. It's not like they're a whole different person, it's just like you get to find out other things, I guess. I don't know how to explain it. But I got home like a little while ago and I was editing, and I've decided that since it is a day off for me today, I have today and tomorrow off, I'm going to sit on the couch and watch TV for a little bit, and then I'm gonna like actually get into work. One really good thing about hanging out with YouTubers is like I always come home feeling like I want to hustle and get like YouTube work done, but I'm trying to work out how to turn my TV onto like the mode where it sees my computer because I want to watch this documentary that I found on Netflix, but I don't know how to do it. I don't know how this works. I know it works. I'm just so bad with, that's not right. That's not right. I'm so bad with technology. Ooh, there's so many options. Oh. Yes, got it. Hey friends, editing Rachel here to end off the vlog because I forgot to. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one very soon. Goodbye.
I just had to let you know you're mine.